Okay, let's try to make a new Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your app and services together. So every Zap consists of a trigger step and one or more step. So when you turn your Zap on, it will run the action steps every time the trigger event occurs. So here is my dashboard. So let's try to create Zap. So the first thing you need to do is select your trigger app. So my trigger app is Gmail. Select your trigger app. So my trigger app is new email in Gmail. Let's see. So when this happens, okay. So select your trigger event. My trigger event is new email. Okay. Next is select your app account. Let's continue. Select our app account. So this is my Gmail account. And then next is by selecting our account, it connects the specific account to use in the Zap trigger. So let's continue. Let's customize the trigger options to fit your needs. So I will choose inbox. Label inbox. Let's choose inbox. And then let's continue. Let's find the data. Let's test our trigger. Test trigger. Let's try to find the data. Oops, there it is. We found an email. Okay. So, oh, by the way, when your trigger is set up successfully, a green checkmark icon will appear in the top left of the step. It's here. So, it means that the trigger is set up successfully. Okay, so after customizing our email and then finding data, okay, next is let's set up our action by choosing your action app and action event. So let's choose an action app, Google Sheets. Okay. So every time there's a new email in Gmail, Google Sheets will, so let's choose an app. So it's Google Sheet, and then let's choose an action event. Every time there's a new email, the Google Sheet will create a spreadsheet row. This one. Okay. So we selected our action app and then the action event. This will be the event that the Zap performs in the selected app when it is triggered. So let's continue. Google Sheet account. So here is my account again, and then let's continue. Okay, so let's choose Drive, my Google Drive. Okay, and then spreadsheet, let's choose, I already have. Let's open another spreadsheet. For example. Okay. So there's an error. We should choose value here. Let's open a Google Sheet and then name it as, okay, it's still loading. Let's name it as my first sub. Okay, so here let's put email subject. Then here let's put the date. Let's move. Oops. Let's put the date. Next is let's put where it came from, and then here the links if there's a link. Okay, so this is our spreadsheet. Let's go back. So let's choose a spreadsheet which is new from Gmail, and the worksheet is, let's choose sheet 1. Okay, so the email subject is subject. Okay, the date, where it came from, okay, and then there's a link. Okay, let's test. Okay, so the test was successful, and then done editing. So let's turn it on now. And then let's try if it works. Okay, let's see if it's going to work. I sent new emails in my account. So let's see here. Okay, so here it is. Here are the 3 new email, and it goes here. So since my SAP is on, every time there's a new email in Gmail, there will be an it creates a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. So there are two new mails, three new emails actually, these three, and it goes here. Okay. So the next one is let's rename our Zap here. So name your Zap. This is, let's change this name here. New email in Google Sheets. Okay. So that's how you make a Zap.